Hi, what I upgraded today is a BMW X3 car without a central control screen. This is a disassembly tool. Please use it according to the situation. First, we use tools to pry open the original car air outlet panel. Then remove the fixed steel wire on the air outlet panel and unplug the emergency light button wire. Then we remove the screws and take off the original car air conditioner button panel. Here we unplug all the wires on the back. Here, remove the screws that fix the main unit of the original car. Take out the main unit and unplug all the wires on the back. Unscrew the screws securing the storage box and remove it. Here we remove the metal buckle of the original car storage box and install it on our new car radio base. We will now pass the white end of the USB cable through the passenger compartment. Then put the GPS here and hide its wires in the gap for a nicer look. Then we still pass it through the storage box to this location. This 4G antenna we put here. We run the power cord for the new car radio through here. Now we install the base of this new car radio. We plugged all the wires from the new car radio and snapped it into the bottom of our hard as a car slot. Now let's install the power cord. Tidy up and reinstall the host. Reinsert the wires of the air conditioner key panel and reinstall the panel. Screw it back in. Reinsert the wire of the air outlet panel, and then fix the steel wire into it. Now let's fire the test. Note that there is no sound at the beginning. We have to choose AUX mode. After setting the AUX, now we can play music through the original car speakers. You can also play the MV on your new car radio. Of course, you can set the tone played by your car speakers according to your preferences. You can also connect CarPlay, Android Auto. You can use CarPlay to play songs from your phone collection. You can use CarPlay for map navigation. You can also use it to make and receive calls. This is his VRM parameter, very smart, the latest Android system. In addition, it has many personalized settings waiting for you to experience. That's all for the video. Thank you all.